Hello everyone, my name is MetaClassEval. This video gives you a lesson of metaprogramming for normal Rubyist, and guides you to fall into dark side. Please note that you should not expect that you can get useful techniques or improve your programming skills in this video. Let's get started. The target of this video is the normal Rubyist who wants dark force, or who wants to fall into dark side. Please stop watching immediately if you are a pure Rubyist or if you do not need dark force. The goal of this video is to show Hello Underworld in the terminal in an unusual way. But please note that there is no answer. The example that I will show you in this video is just an example to take you to dark side. What I want to tell you about is as follows. First, I will explain design hints, but, rather, viewpoints or tips. Second, I will just run and show you the result. Finally, I will explain the source code. But please note that the result is not important but the process is important. This is the key point. Let me repeat it again. In order to fall into dark side, the result does not matter, but the process is the key to open the door to dark side. Then, I give you some tips. There are 3 important points to keep in mind. First, please think always about what self is. In Ruby, as you know well, it is the self. It is called reflection or meta-recognition. Second, please think about how you can change self. It is called self-modifying. Finally, please recognize and accept several selves existing. For example, past self, current self, false self, true self, and so on. And imagine another self in the future. Based on those things, and after taking one deep breath, let's run the code. It succeeds if you can see Hello Underworld in the terminal and the source code is gone. I explain the source code. There are only 3 lines, but you may find the hints for self. The first line overwrites the source code itself to show Hello Underworld, but it generates the code from the file name itself, instead of printing it directly. The second line calls the new source code, and it shows Hello Underworld in the standard output. Please stop and think one moment here. Have you noticed that there are 2 selves at the same time, old self, and new self, in memory space? At the last line, the old self deletes the new self, which is the final task of the old self and it is the end of both selves. I summarize the points today. Through the conventional simple example Hello Underworld, we have thought about what the self is. And the self modified the self by itself, namely, self-modifying. This is the key to open the door to the dark side. Metaprogramming is not just a technique but, rather, a paradigm or philosophy, in my opinion. If you have a comment, opinion, or objection, please write a comment below. In the end, I would like to ask you again. What is self? To be honest, I haven't got the answer yet. If anybody knows about the answer, please tell me and add a comment below. Thank you for watching this video. You can find the more detailed explanation from the link below. If you like this, please subscribe and thumbs up, and share this with your friends. I would be glad if you could have fun in this video. I am looking forward to seeing you soon.